on how to fix runtime error 10 or similar. Both describe things that are not there or allude to things that are not there. So let's check out the first button here on Excel. Bang, I click the button here and let's see what happens. Nothing else but 1004 because that is not there. As you can see in the first bar, actually, let's see where to stop that right here. We are selecting the whole left column A, and we ended at 7. We end our last cell is 7.6, but we're just set at 7.7, and so there is no 7.7, so we get the error that pops out. So you may want to go and use a worksheet Control N down, and that's on my. I have an example of that on the site at VBAHowTo.com. Okay, so I'm going to stop this and let's run the next one. The next one is error 9. And it's again something that you can't find subsequent out of the range. Why? Because that worksheet is not here. This sheet is not there. And if I click go again, I'm going to get the subsequent range. And let's see if I remove this not and then proceed through. Okay, we selected that worksheet. We did have an error. Oh, we selected the let's go here, and you're going to be able to. That's the end. I hope it helped.